How to fix Facebook Marketplace option not showing up. So if you want to fix the Facebook Marketplace option not showing up, then what you need to do is first you need to just make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And the next step you need to do is just open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search you need to search for Facebook. Once you search for Facebook, if you have any updates under your Facebook, you just need to simply go and update the application. But if you don't have any updates, so you need to go back, and the next thing you need to do is just open up your Facebook application. Now, in my case, I don't have this problem, which means I have the marketplace right there on the top, right? So you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon, and you need to scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down again, and under preferences, you will have notification bar or tab bar. So you need to tap on those options, and here you need to go with customize the bar, and here you have marketplace option. So under the marketplace option on the right side, you will have pin, right? In your case, it might be under available shortcuts or it might be hidden. So you just need to simply make sure that your marketplace is pinned. And once you pin your marketplace, then you need to go back and you need to just reload your Facebook. And here on the top, you can see the marketplace. So that's how you can fix your Facebook marketplace option not showing up. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.